In the previous part, we added some resources in the Navisworks file, but now we'll have to add those resources in the Primavera file as well. Just the resource part, that's just the name of the resource, that will be enough. So we go to the resources section in Primavera and we'll try to add resources here. We'll now add resources here. We'll try to add here, but we do not need any labor resource. We need material resource. So we'll have to scroll down over to the material section and right click on the material and then click on add resource. Well, actually copy the name from the Excel sheet which we derived from the Navisworks file. So we'll go to the resource raw and we'll see, search for the resource name. So this is it. We need wall PUF panel and we need to export it. So we select the name in Excel, copy it and then back to the Primavera, replace the new resource with wall PUF panel. And then we have the other resource which is screw actually. So we'll do the same for that also. So we'll copy the screws, we'll add new resource, right click on the material, we'll add a new resource and we'll copy the name from the Excel spreadsheet into the Primavera. And the unit of measurement for both of the resource will be each, but it will be the count actually. Now we'll export it again into an Excel spreadsheet. We'll export the Primavera schedule in the Excel spreadsheet. So same as we did in the last session, we'll include activities, resource and resource assignment. We click on next. Export, check on it and then we click on next again. And then we need to modify the template. We'll need to check that what we are actually exporting. So we'll try to see which columns or which fields we are exporting from Primavera. We have to verify that we are only exporting the required fields, not all the fields. So please check on this. Click on OK and then next. You will have to see the location where you are saving the file. Verify that you are saving in the correct location where you can reach. We'll save it in the same folder to keep the data organized and click on finish and close. That's it. Now we have got two entities. One is the Navisworks quantity schedule which we exported in the Excel format, and on the other hand we have Primavera Excel spreadsheet which we exported from Primavera. Basically the Navisworks spreadsheet contains resources and its quantities along with WBS and activity names, resource name, and on the other hand the spreadsheet we exported from Primavera contains task sheet. It contains WBS codes for the task, it contains resource name and ID. So what we'll be doing is, we'll be clubbing these two entities together to form resource assignment table, which will be filled in the Primavera's Excel file and then imported to the Primavera project, and from there we'll get it to Navisworks. So this is all dynamic linking. We'll start Excel and we'll make a collector new workbook wherein we'll link the sheets from the Primavera and the Excel sheets using Power Query. So let's try with the method 1 from folder. So we are just trying. It might not work, but if it doesn't work, we'll try a different method. For now, let's go into the folder and let's take navigate to the folder where we stored it, and yeah, here it is. And it's loading for us. Let's wait. It's establishing connection. Okay, fine. It's giving us a preview of the different sheets available in that folder. So let's review. Okay, so we'll just combine the data, combine and transform data. It's evaluating the query. Query is a database thing, so I'll try to get it what it is later on. It's the first file and the second file here. So we'll have to choose a table from the first file and we'll have to choose a table from the second file. That's what it's saying for us to do. Okay, it's showing the preview also of the table. Not the wholesome preview, but the simple preview. What fields are in there and etc. Okay, now what's in the PME structure? We have got Primavera here. This is the Primavera sheet, and in the first instance, as the first file, we have chosen the Navisworks spreadsheet, the resource table in there. And for the second instance, we have chosen the Primavera file. So we are actually choosing two entities here. So click on OK. It's opening up the Power Query window. It's processing the queries. Let's wait for it to do it, and it's loading. It takes time, so let's wait. Cool. Now the Power Query I can see is opening up. Oh, it says there is an error. As I told you, this is a trial, and now we need to go to the method B. So what we'll do is we'll basically bring in the data manually from Excel. First delete it. Yeah. So yes, I want to delete it. Yeah. And then I bring in the new source, new Excel file. And what file? We'll choose the file manually. So number 1 is the PME structure, Navisworks file. So this will give us the option to choose a table. So we click on OK. Resource table and see OK. And here's the preview of the table. Not the preview, the whole thing actually. And now we'll add the Primavera Excel spreadsheet here. So same thing, new source and Excel. And we'll choose the Primavera PB structure file, PME1. And we'll choose resource assignment here. So resource assignment we need, and we also do need the task table as well. So first of all, resource assignment, no problem. It's taking in the query as a table here. Now we have got two tables from different sources. Go to the resource table. We see the WBS from the Navisworks table has one more delimiter, that we do not need the last digit, but like the rightmost 0.1 or 0.2 we do not need, because it doesn't matches with the activities in the Primavera. So we need to remove the rightmost delimiter because it's not matching. We do not need that large digit at that point. So we'll have to split the field. Power query gives us that functionality of splitting the field into two parts. So by delimiter, we'll split the field, and the custom delimiter and the rightmost one, and it will be a dot 1, dot 2, dot 3, like so and so. Click on OK and done. The field split into two, WBS 1 and 2. So it's magic actually.